Welcome back. Education continues to be the goal for staff with Carter County Drug Prevention, and a new study is now showing the impacts of tobacco and substance abuse across the region. Joining us this morning are Dolly Reeves and Emma Carpenter to talk about the study and the plans ahead for this year. Thank you guys so much for joining us today.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Absolutely. And Dolly, let's start with you. Let's talk about what you were able to take away from this new report from TN Together.
Yeah, so in 2018, the Tennessee Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services conducted the largest statewide student survey around substance abuse. And this survey had 21,000 respondents with 28 counties, and Carter County was one of them. Now recently we got the full report statewide, which shows us how Carter County stacks up with the state, which gives us our ability to figure out where we need to focus our efforts the most.
And so as you focus on where to put those efforts, why are you as a coalition talking to families about why it's so important to have these conversations with kids?
Yeah, I don't want to spill out the entire report. I would definitely encourage everyone to go online to read about it. But two of the key takeaways I want to mention is that less than half of the students responded that they had one conversation with an adult about drugs. And the average age of drug initiation is at 13 years old. And also research shows that just one meaningful conversation from a caring adult can drastically impact the decision for you to use substances.
And Emma, we're going to switch over to you now because this conversation has a lot to do with your generation, and you were actually just chosen as a national ambassador for Students Against Destructive Decisions. What are you going to push for when you yourself head to Washington?
I'm not really going to be pushing for things, but I'll be going for a 4-day training in D.C., Washington, along with some other youth advocates. And there we'll learn how to properly talk and discuss with adults so that we can push laws like Bill H.R. 2339. This bill prohibits any flavoring that may be appealing to youth, because right now as it is, youth are just using these e-cigarettes because it's starting them.
And why is it that, do you think that people your age and even people younger than you, older than you, think that there's not this risk associated with those e-cigarettes?
It's because big tobacco companies are actually saying that these are safer than regular cigarettes when these contain the same amount of nicotine as a whole pack of cigarettes.
And we'll be able to watch your developments and the things that you're learning as you bring that back to Carter County and our region. And Dolly, let's touch on too how you and the Carter County Drug Prevention Coalition continue to address this issue locally.
Yeah, so Carter County Drug Prevention actually works with several youth groups such as SAD. We also have a youth coalition, and we have a brand new peak mentorship program as well. And if parents are looking for ways to get that conversation going, or if teens are interested in getting involved in our youth, or if anybody's interested involved in getting in our peak mentorship program, they can contact the Carter County Drug Prevention Program directly via our Facebook page. And also just kind of want to mention, for anybody who is in need of a free and confidential referral to a substance abuse for addiction treatment services, they can contact the Tennessee Red Line at 1-800-889-9789.
Wonderful. Ladies, thank you so much. It's an important conversation nationwide and, of course, right here in the Tri-Cities. So thank you for your time.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
And, of course, to support the Carter County Drug Prevention Coalition, a Taste of Carter County Tailgate Edition is underway a week from now. And you'll be able to sample different restaurants from the county while also mingling with the Elizabethton High School State Football Championship team. Tickets are on sale now, and we will have more details on that event for you on WJHL.com. We'll be right back after this.